In September of 2006, Pope Benedict XVI delivered a famous or infamous Regensburg address. Show me just what Muhammad brought that was new, and there you will find things only evil and inhuman, such as his command of the spread by the sword. The faith that he preached is based on that.
Attacks at churches in the West Bank and Muslims protesting comments made by Pope Benedict XVI.
Benedict XVI is still the object of outrage for many Muslims around the world.
Benedict XVI issues another statement regarding his controversial remarks.
Osama bin Laden issuing a new audio tape, taking aim at, among others, the Pope. The audio recording, again, supposedly from the terror leader, threatens the European Union.
Now, representatives from Islam are hoping a piece of paper can begin to resolve the differences. Saeed Saeed of the Islamic Society of North America explains the genesis of the letter.
The letter begins with a verse from the Quran. It says, go ahead and invite your brothers and sisters from the people of the book, that is Jews and Christians, and emphasize, unite on your common word.
Center for Islamic Democracy and the Magbasa Kita Foundation, we would like to welcome everyone. Nalulugod po kami na tanggapin kayo sa activity natin ito.
Yung ating pagtitipon ho ngayong araw is really about acceptance, tolerance, and loving our neighbors. Itong dokumentong ito, this will be our basis to engage the Christians and the other faiths. So we will be having interfaith discussions on our terms.
Muslim and Christians make up more than half of the population of the world. Without peace and justice between them, there can be no meaningful peace in the world. Both Islam and Christianity are founded on two basic principles: love of the one God and love of
Agad ko po wala sa mga Muslim Jews ang mga Christian pati gulong tala mana niya asan sa miyarap teha ko kitab ay niturong ko Musa sa miyarap teha ko kitab ay niturong ko Isa sa mga Sabyanos sa mga Muslims asan sa miyarap teha kirang kutuhan miyarap teha niya so alawan na mawin may gulaw las sa mapya na da kawaniran da kalakinan.
Imagine you are in the community of Christians and you're bringing a sound system doon sa plaza nila and then you are attacking the religion. Imagine mo kaya kung mayroong pastor na gagawa niya sa Banggulo, dadala siya ng sound system, tapos doon sa gitna ng Banggulo, tapos magsasalita siya against the prophet, against the Allah. Ano mangyayari sa kanya? Makakalabas siya ng Marawi. Kaya yun din, we have to act of reciprocity. Hindi natin pwedeng gawin doon sa Christian areas. Dadala tayo ng microphone, hingi tayo ng permit sa Christian na mayor, gagamit tayo nito yung plaza nila, tapos doon tayo magbubomba, magdebate, sirain natin yung religion nila. Hindi masyadong unethical.
work of 138 Muslim scholars, because it emanated from there, it has become embodied in a UN resolution, the proponent of which is Jordan, a Muslim.
May mga instances na dapat malaman din nila kung ano ba talaga ang ating mga ang ating advokasya patungkol sa itong common word which brings a common peace to everybody.
Kung talagang makilala ka nila na Muslim ka, hindi sa salita kundi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, irerespeto ka nila. Next talk.
Kilala, and then tafahom, magkakaunawaan, at ta'aruf, kung kayo'y magkakatulungan. Ang itong forum na ito, maliban sa tayo ay pinag-uusapan natin ng common word, ito rin ang pagkakataon para magkakakilala tayo, magkakaunawaan at magkakatulungan.
Anong ibig sabihin ng intrapid? Sa narinig ko kanina sa ating lecturer, ang intrapid ay yung dialogue between the same religion. Katulad natin, tayo ay mga Muslim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
قل يا أهل الكتاب تعالوا إلى كلمة سواء بيننا وبينكم ألا نعبد إلا الله ولا نشرك به شيئا ولا يتخذ بعضنا بعضا أربابا من دون الله فإن تولوا فقولوا اشهدوا بأننا مسلمون.
Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind and with all your strength. The second is this, love your neighbor as yourself.